In this video, we'll look at the Blaze Power Burners, which are available in both the style of the classic and professional Blaze grill models, making it easy to coordinate the look of your outdoor kitchen. Another nice feature of the Blaze Power Burners is that at a width, which is around 15 3/4 inches wide, you don't have to use up as much counter space as you would with some other models which usually measure around 20 inches wide. The Blaze Power Burners are made of stainless steel and feature this removable protective lid. The burner grids are made of heavy-duty stainless steel rods and include a convenient removable inner ring for wok cooking directly over the fire. Under the grids, you'll find this guard that not only protects the burner from the wind, but also concentrates its heat for greater efficiency. The burner is made of two individually controllable rings. The inner ring is rated for 25,000 BTUs, and the outer ring is rated for 35,000 BTUs. The burners are lit with push and turn ignition. The dual ring burner design is great for maximum cooking flexibility. Simply cook over the inner burner for simmering sauces, or crank up both burners on high for boiling things like shrimp. Cooking with the outer ring works great for larger skillets, allowing the heat to spread across the entire pan quickly. Finally, to ensure longevity, the burner is made of heavy cast 304 stainless steel.